Thank you, everyone, for taking out the time to join the SurveyVista 3.0 release webinar. If you have any queries or questions during what we are presenting, please feel free to add it in the chat. One of us, either Sohail or I, will pick it up. My name is Raul. I work as a principal program manager here at Ardira SurveyVista, and uh, with me, I have my colleague Sohail. Sohail, if you could introduce yourself.
Yes. Yeah, this is Sohil Vanch, and I work as a customer success and quality manager at SurveyVista by Ardira. And thank you everyone for joining this webinar.
Okay, we will try to make this as quick and informative as possible. I hope everybody is able to view our screens. Sohail, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Great. All right. We do have a detailed information about the 3.0 features in our knowledge base. We will share the link in the chat. So anybody who has still not had a chance to look at it can take a look at it. Um, Coming to some of the features, and if you guys have not upgraded to 3.0 yet, we do have a knowledge base link on how you can do that. So I'm going to put that in the chat as well, just for everyone's reference. Okay. Coming back to what we have done uh, is we have definitely improved the authoring UI, and we have also improved the options when it comes to designing your survey. And we have also worked on enhancing our response mapping and reporting analytics. Uh, so very quickly, jumping into the survey builder. The first thing that we want to showcase for everyone is a new feature, which is called pre-fill responses. This is available with our enterprise edition. You can go to settings, you can go to options, and we have something called pre-fill responses, which you can enable. You can choose that do you want to enable this for all stages of the survey? So whether the survey is currently in only in progress stage or completed stage, or do you want to only consider it for the surveys which have been in completed stage? How does this work? For example, I assigned a survey to a participant, which in this case could be me, and I previously gave these responses as part of the survey, right? So when I reassign the survey to myself, let me go to contacts, let me send it out to myself. So when I send it out, the survey to myself, as you can see in the tabular report, the responses that I had given previously have come pre-filled, even though the survey result is still in assigned and dispatched status. Now, how is this useful? This is useful so that your participant can actually see what were the responses they gave last time. And then if they want to make changes to their current survey responses, they can do the needful, right? So as you can see, this is the survey that came to me. I can click on Start Survey. And as you can see, all my responses, previous responses, have come pre-filled. Now, of course, based on my current outlook, I can make changes. Right? And I can submit the survey. Once I do that, and when I go back to my tabular report, I can see that all the responses have changed. All right. So different use cases, you can do it in a way which suits you. Right. The next thing that we have we have enhanced our section builder, as you can see. You can now see the number of questions that are under each section. And you can also see that we have now indented the questions which are coming as part of the sections. So this is an enhancement to the UI that we have done, right? What we have also done is earlier, the preview would be within the same tab, but now we give the option of having the preview. When you click on the preview, it will open in a new tab. One of the reasons why we have done this, so if anybody is using two screens while they are making changes in the survey builder, they can simultaneously refresh and see how are the changes reflecting in the preview, right? Uh, Okay. The other thing that we have also done is in the preview itself, we have given the option to print. So you can uh, click on the print icon, and then you will be able to see the preview that will be shown when you print out this particular survey. So that's an additional enhancement that we have done. What we also have enhanced is our ranking question. So for example, you can see the ranking question right over here. So earlier, irrespective of the number of options that were provided, all of them would get ranked. But now in the design options, you can choose what are the number of options that you want ranked, right? So for example, I want the ranking section to only give me up to 2 or 3 ranks and leave the rest blank. That is possible as well. Soil, any queries or questions on this, or anything that you would like to add?
Yeah, so this option is like configurable in draft survey, right? And once you configure, it would be then available for the open surveys or published surveys, right? So it's like you have five number of choices to rank your choices or the question, right? And out of 5, you want to just rank 3 choices, right? So that then you can configure 3 as the choices, and then it would allow you to only select or rank only 3 choices out of 5, right? So earlier we used to rank all the choices, but now you can control that part.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
The other thing that we have, of course, improved is if you go under settings, we have options, and then we have notifications, right? So under notifications, we have the sender email address. Earlier, all the org-wide email addresses that were available in your org would show up over here as part of the list. But now we have enhanced it. So based on the user access or the access that he has to an org-wide email address, only those will be shown in the list. Also, we have now added the option of sorting it out alphabetically. And instead of giving this as a simple drop-down, now it is a searchable drop-down. So that is the enhancement that we have done to the sender email address, right?
Yes.
Uh,
So just wanted to add one thing here, right? So the current user email address would remain static. It is not sorted. I mean, not able to sort that. But yeah, apart from that, rest of the org-wide email addresses would be sortable. And this search and select component we have added at multiple places, such as Salesforce data question that we have, question dependency response mapping, right? Wherever either you are selecting the questions or the target fields, we have added that search and select component, right? So for easy to search your fields and configure the same.
Thank you.
Yep.
The next enhancement that we have done is we have now given a logo hyperlink. So, for example, you can go to your survey, you can go to advanced design, and for your logo, you can now add a hyperlink. So, whenever any participant clicks on the logo, they can be redirected to your website. So, this is another enhancement that we have done, right? Uh, what we have also done, we have updated our question types like slider, yes, no, single choice, and rating, just to let you know how it works. For example, this is our single choice question, right? So we have now given the option of clearing the response. This works with the rating, yes, no, single choice, and slider. So if I click on strongly disagree, I can clear the response. This was not available earlier. Earlier, you could simply put not applicable as part of an answer choice, but now we give it the option of clearing the response. All right. Uh, the major change that we have done to the design options is now you have basic design and advanced design. We have given you an option of having themes and colors right out of the box. So if you want to use any of the theme colors, which are pre-made, pre-built, you can do that, right? But of course, the standard way that you have currently been using, you can still go to advanced design and you can still choose the question color, question text colors, or the answer text colors, right? So that is still available. But for users who want to use existing pre-built themes, they can do that as well, right? We also then have a change made, or we have enhanced our rating question. As you can currently see, you can go to the design option and you can choose how do you want the stars displayed, right? So you can change the size of the stars. And what you can also do is you can give them a color, which was earlier not available. Right? Something like this. All right. So this is the enhancement that we have done to the rating question type, right? Okay. What we have also now done is in the send section under the embed type, we now give you the option of showing how the embedded question would look that you have created as part of the survey. Uh, Everybody knows that we already gave the option of embedding the first multi-choice question as part of your email. But now, before you send out the email from the Send Survey UI itself under the embed option, you will be able to see how that question would look to the end participant. And of course, we have also given you the option of copying the code from the Send Survey UI embed option itself. Okay. One other major change that we have made
Just to add to that, Rahul, if you just go back. So we have now added embed option right here, not only for the embedding your first choice based question. Of course, you can embed either into your classic email template or lightning email template, right? You can even preview them. You can add the recipients or target ID before you generate the code. And so as we added the code snippet for embedding the survey or form into your website as well, right? So you can either upload on your corporate website using iframe or using lightning out or as part of your digital experience site, right? That way. Yeah, continue.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
What the other announcement that we have done is to our question dependency, right? So earlier, to go to question dependency, you had to go to settings and then question dependency. We have enhanced that now at question level, right? So for example, you can click on a question and we have the question dependency right as an icon over here. You can click on it and you can then create a rule on how you would want your question dependency to work. So you don't need to go to settings and then click on question dependency. Whatever you want to set up, whichever logic, you can do it from the survey builder question itself. Okay. What we have also done is we have enhanced our survey metric. So we can now have it divided into section-wise analysis. We already had question-based analytics available out of the box, but now, depending on the number of sections that you have created, how is each section giving you a score? That can also be configured, right? So section-based analysis is also now available out of the box. If you have created multiple categories for your questions, then category level charts will also be visible out of the box in survey metrics. Okay. The other enhancement that we have done at an analysis part is something which is called the question level drop-off analysis. A lot of times we see that people respond to a survey till a certain point or till certain questions, and then they drop off and do not respond to the rest of the questions. That analysis tool is now available out of the box from SurveyVista in the survey metric. Okay. Yeah, so would you like to add anything?
Yes.
To that?
Yeah. So if you open one of our existing sample survey, right?
Yeah.
And if you go to analyze tab over there, so basically, this is useful when you're collecting customer feedback, right? And when you have a lengthy survey initially, and you want to track after which questions people are dropping out from the survey or they are not responding to any further questions, right? That's why we have added this survey drop-off analysis. So it will give you the idea from which questions participants are dropping off or they are not responding rest of the questions, right? And it will also give you question engagement, right? That for which questions they have viewed those questions, and after that they have dropped out from the survey, right? And it will give you the drop-off percentage as well. So this will help you to enhance your survey such a way that you keep it short, simple, right? And ask the necessary questions, right? That way.
All right.
Yep.
Thank you, Sohel.
Yep.
What we also now have provided is we now support advanced tracking integrations with the Google Analytics for GTM's Facebook Pixel. So it will help you generate heat maps with those tools, and you can see what part of the surveys are being accessed most, right? So as Sohail mentioned, if there are any changes that you want to make to how the survey is currently being controlled, the journey the participant is going on, you will be able to have more control over the participant journey, right? Uh, the other announcement that we have done is to the survey export. Now, if now you are adding a lot of images to your survey, not only will you be able to export it as a survey JSON, but you will also be able to export your survey as a zip file. So how does that help? Essentially, if you have the zip file added to your, maybe from your sandbox to your production org, all the images that you added as part of your survey, those will automatically come in your production org, right? So that is an additional enhancement that we have done to the export feature, that you will now be able to export it not only as a survey JSON, but also as a zip file, right?
Yes. So in that case, it will be taken care automatically, right? So if your survey do not have any images as part of your questions or landing page messages, or if you do not have any translations as part of your survey, right? It will automatically download as a JSON file. But if you have those things available in your sandbox, in your survey, right, when you export it, it will be exported as a zip file, including your images and translation. So you do not need to do those things again when you move that surveys to production org, right? So you can easily export and import as a zip file.
Great.
Yeah.
Thanks, so. What we also have done is we have enhanced the notification tab, right? So we, for all the survey reminders that you send out through advanced notification. So if you have if you're using our premium edition, and if you have set up the reminder feature, any reminder emails that go out to your contact records, all of that will now be logged automatically under the Salesforce activity, right? Uh, there is another announcement that we have also done is in the advanced notification tab. If you want to configure Slack notifications, right? That is possible as well. So you can use advanced notifications to create Slack notifications, right? We also want to take this opportunity to let everyone know that we will very soon be launching the SurveyVista online mobile app.
Yeah.
Offline mobile app, I'm
Offline.
sorry.
Yep.
So if you want to have the surveys taken offline, right? If the use case involves people going to remote places where they have to do data collection, then once they fill up the survey in the mobile app, once they are connected to an internet, all the responses will get synced to your Salesforce org automatically. So that is something that is in the works, that is coming soon. We also want to take this opportunity to let everyone know that we have Agent Vista, which is our Copilot already available on the App Exchange. We want you guys to download it. It's absolutely free. We want you to use it. We want you to create surveys with prompts. And we would love for you to share your feedback on Agent Vista. Based on your feedback, if you have any recommendations on how we can improve it, that would be a big bonus for us. So everyone who has joined and your colleagues, if you guys are not using Agent Vista yet, please download it from the App Exchange and use it with SurveyVista, and please share your feedback with us.
Yes. And just to add to that, so using Agent Vista, you not only create surveys or NPS CSAT surveys, but you can also send out or trigger the surveys using the prompt, right? So you just say that find me 10 contacts from this account, right? Select this survey and send it to all those 10 contacts, right? And it will send that survey. Yeah. And it's free, available along with the SurveyVista. So if you're already using SurveyVista, you can start using it free of cost. Yeah, it's available as a free.
All right.
Yep.
Okay. So this was going to be a very short webinar. Let me see if we have any
Yes.
questions. So we do.
Yeah. So before Rahul, I think we move forward. If you'd like to show the dashboard component on the account record,
Right.
if you go to that, yeah. So what
Sure.
we have introduced is, right, let's say you are collecting the case closure feedback from your participants, I mean from the contact, right? So whenever the case is closed, right, you are collecting the feedback from the contact, and you are aggregating that score and the insight at the contact level, or as well as at the account level, right? So now we have provided our SurveyVista dashboard matrix tabular report component as part of the Lightning record pages, right? So you can embed as part of any Salesforce standard or custom object, and then it will automatically give you the insights for that specific account for the selected survey, right? So this is the component you can drop into your record page, and let's say you search for one of the survey, right, where this particular account is set as a target account, okay, and it will start giving you the insight for that specific account. Okay, so it can be dropped as part of any Salesforce standard or custom objects. Okay. Yeah, I think we have covered, I think, all the important features that we have introduced. And yeah, there are some questions. We would like to address those now. Yeah, so Kyle says that, yeah, for themes, are you able to build a theme with your company brand requirements? Yeah, to answer your question, yes. So apart from the standard themes and design options, we also provide advanced CSS options where you can write your own HTML CSS. Rahul, if you would like to show that, right? So you go to the design options, and as part of the advanced design, right, you can write your own HTML, you can upload your own logo, and you can have full control over design theme based on your branding requirements or based on your corporate branding requirements. Okay. So, and then we got a question from Same. The hyperlink connected to the logo, would it be open in a new tab? Yes, it would open in a new tab, and you will not lose your current session where you are configuring or building your survey. Yeah, so it will open up in a new tab. We got a question from Amy, that NPS question, color would always red, yellow, and grid? No. So
No.
those options are available. You can have control over what sort of colors you want to display. That is available from the design options. For your promoters, detractors, and passives, you can control those colors.
Yeah. So Amy, just to let you know, you can choose, you can remove the color code that is available. And if you keep the color code, you can choose what kind of color would you want, right? So
Yes.
if you want to change it to something else, you would be able to do that. Also, we give you the option of changing the shape, right? So if you want to change the shape, that's available as well.
Yes. Yeah. Next question is about drop-off analysis would be available in the previous responses, and that is asked by Caroline. To answer your question, no, it would be available for the new responses that you are collecting, because we have introduced a couple of fields behind the scene as part of question results, right? So for previous results, we did not get that value. Okay, so it would be available for new responses for now.
And yeah, you
Yeah,
will need to upgrade to 3.0 if you want to see that
yes,
feature, Carol. Thank you.
that's right. And we got a question from Diane, someone who is not using our product yet. So could be our prospect moving forward.
Yeah.
And we are looking forward
So,
to catch up with you.
Deanne, just to let you know, yes, uh, because we are 100% native to Salesforce, all the responses can be linked to or related to your standard or custom objects. And with our response mapping feature, which is available out of the box, you can have the responses mapped to any standard or custom object in Salesforce. So yes, this is possible out of the box. As you can see, we give you different action types. If you want to create an update, say for example, for the contact object, what I'm telling the system over here is to map the responses of, say, for example, the NPS question to a field in my contact object. So that is possible. Yes.
Yes. And Diane got also another question that can we fill out the survey while we talk on a phone, right? Yeah, to answer your question, yes, you can do that. It's not necessary to send the surveys to the participants, right? And if you all go to the account record again, we have also a feature to embed a checklist as part of the Salesforce record, right? So let's say you are on a case record, you're talking to the customer, you want to fill out the survey on their behalf, you can do that using this feature, right? So you can embed the survey itself within the record page, and while you talk to them on the call, you can fill out this survey or form. Yeah, and that will be saved and associated with the respective Salesforce object record.
Right. So
Yes.
we have a survey component that you can drop into any standard or custom object in Salesforce. And so, for example, here we have dropped it at the account object level. And all the surveys or forms that have been assigned to these contacts over a period of time, they all can be viewed from that object, right? You can also use this object if you want to send out a survey to any one of the contacts. You can click on new and you can send out the survey from that object or record itself. So that is possible as well. Yeah.
Yes. And I think for same, I already answered your question, right? So Agent Vista is not part of any edition, but it's available free of cost if you are using SurveyVista. And you can start using it, and we love to hear your feedback once you started using it. Yeah.
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 Okay.
And then we got a question from Garrett. Yeah, Agent Vista again, you need to install for admins only, and then you can assign appropriate permission set like you are doing in SurveyVista. Yeah. Yeah, thank you, Kathleen, for your note. Then we have.
Okay, we have, will the dashboard work for person accounts? And
Yes.
Garrett, I hope you have received the App Exchange link. I'll put the App Exchange link for everyone in the chat as well. Okay.
Yes. To answer your question, Charlie, yes. So dashboard would work for person accounts as well. Any Salesforce object that you have standard or custom, that would work. Yeah. And you will be able to assign surveys to your person's accounts as well. Okay.
Okay. Waiting for any other queries, questions anybody would have. The link to the Ardira page for Agent Vista on AppExchange needs. Okay. Okay. Thank you for sharing that feedback, Garrett. We'll keep that in mind. Thank you so much. Okay. We've come to the end. Thank you, everyone, for taking out the time and for joining the webinar. We want everyone to upgrade to the latest version of SurveyVista. We want you guys to play around with SurveyVista's new enhanced features that we shared. We would want your feedback. We are always looking to improve our product. So once you start using the features, once you start using Agent Vista, please keep the feedback and suggestions coming. And we would love to ensure that the product keeps meeting your expectations. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.